Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Capra Falconeri token. It is very amazing token. Today in this video I give you full review of this token, and we also discuss their benefits and their features and all necessary information that we should have in our mind before investing or before buying their tokens. So let's go to their website. And one more thing that I want to tell you before starting my review, that they are starting their pre-sale on 1st November and they will list on 6 exchanges at the same day after their pre-sale. So in their pre-sale they offer a huge benefits for their holders, for their buyers, or if you have interest to buy their tokens. So let's go and buy their tokens from their pre-sale, because in pre-sale their value will be very low and their price is very low, and if you buy them and hold them in your wallet, then in after few days when their pre-sale will be ended and you will generate a huge profit by selling them, because after ending their pre-sale their value will be increased automatically. So before starting my video in detail, I request to all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first. So I give you a little introduction about what is Capra Falconeri token. So Capra Falconeri will be revolution in the crypto world. Our aim is to Capra to top 10 cryptocurrency in the year 2022. So they have an amazing mission. We also discuss how we can buy, and we also discuss about their white paper. After this we also discuss Capra Falconeri token listing on 6 exchanges. They have Hotbit, Latoken, Bitforex, Bitmart, Indox. And then we discuss about Little Love Dream Big. Capra Falconeri token is a community-focused, decentralized cryptocurrency with attractive rewards for holders. Join the Moon Mission. Then we discuss about why Capra token. First is community powered. Capra token is fully decentralized and owned by its love and vibrant community. We welcome and embrace diverse perspectives to build Capra token into the best community in crypto. Then we discuss secure and safe. Capra token has been audited. That means zero risk to our investors from potential bad actors. So after this we also discuss about their tokenomics. Our aim to go Capra to top 10 cryptocurrency in the year 2022. We discuss total supply, 10 trillion. Token price is mentioned here. Listing price is also mentioned here. Capra token symbol is dollar Capra token type BEP20. Pre-sale prices also mentioned here. Then we discuss about their token distribution. The use of cryptocurrencies has become more widespread. The origin, platform, idea, development of the concept and business plan. Capra Falconeri token, we discuss total supply is also mentioned here, but 50% burning in 5 steps, 30% pre-sale, 10% liquidity, 5% team wallet, 3% marketing, and 2% is airdrop. After this, we also discuss about their roadmap. The use of cryptocurrencies has become more widespread. The origin, platform, idea, development of the concept and business plan. They have website design, white paper, pre-sale, list on Bitmart, Hotbit, Letoken, Indox, Bitforex, P2P, B2B at same day listing, then to 25k holders, Capra Swap, Capra Launchpad, CNC and CG listing, Capra holder reward, list on Binance, 500 million market cap, Capra wallet, Capra debit card, Capra exchange. So this is the roadmap of Capra Falconeri. Download our documents. Marketers create white papers to educate their audience about a particular issue or explain and promote a particular methodology. Capra Falconeri token, a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash, would allow online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Digital signatures provide a part of the solution, but the main benefits are lost if a trusted third party is still required to prevent double spending. The network timestamps transactions by hashing them into an ongoing chain of hash-based proof of network, forming a record that cannot be changed without redoing the proof of work. Then we also discuss about their contract address. If you want to buy their tokens, you need to copy their contract address. So after this we discuss about their white paper. If you want to get more information in details regarding their project, so you need to download the white paper in details. Here you will find out each and every answers of your questions that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to get information about the Capra Falconeri, we discuss it. Capra Falconeri token, marketplace, tokenomics, Capra Falconeri token promises. We discuss it. Marketplace, Capra Falconeri token is a private project that would be operating in the field of private investments and exchange of funds. Thanks to the diversified portfolio of projects, we are able to generate consistent returns to our stakeholders. We already discussed about their tokenomics. Capra Falconeri token promises transparency. All transactions are on the blockchain. Anyone can inspect immutability. We choose to use non-ungradable contracts. This is to gain trust and give confidence to the community. Then we discuss about the community. Capra Falconeri token is built for our community to help build our standard of living. Everyone is equal. Then we discuss our token promise. We will make easy and fastest payment system. We will provide to our users Capra wallet and Capra debit card. We will launch Capra Swap. We will launch Capra Launchpad. Our aim to go to Capra top 10 cryptocurrencies. After this, we discuss about their basics about Capra Falconeri. We discuss vision and goal, our biggest goal, future prospects, why should I buy. We can see the detail. You can see the details here. Our main agenda. Capra Falconeri token has its clear agenda to make money and only money, as everyone here in crypto market is for earning loads and loads of money. No one is here for any charity or time pass. So our agenda is very clear. Capra Falconeri token is never interested to talk much and talk illogical. We are only focused on developing money making in the crypto. A purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash would allow online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Digital signatures provide part of this solution, but the main benefits are lost if a trusted third party is still required to prevent double spending. We propose a solution to the double spending problem using a peer-to-peer network. The network timestamps transactions by hashing them into an ongoing chain of hash-based proof of work, forming a record that cannot be changed without redoing the proof of work. The longest chain not only serves as proof of the sequence of events witnessed, but proof that it came from the largest pool of CPU power. As long as a majority of CPU power is controlled by nodes that are not cooperating to attack the network, they will generate the longest chain and outpace attackers. The network itself requires minimal structure. Messages are broadcast on a best effort basis, and nodes can leave and rejoin the network at will, accepting the long proof of work chain as proof of what happened while they were gone. Our result and standpoint. We also discuss about their qualities: straightforwardness, local area, trust, lifespan. You can see their details. Marketing strategy. What is marketing financed? We can also discuss about their token roadmap. Phase 1 is website design, pre-sale, start airdrop. Phase 2 is list on 6 exchanges: Hotbit, Bitmart, Bitforex, 20k holders. Phase 3 is coin market cap and CG listing gate. Your list launch Capra Swap, launch Capra launched. Phase 4 is Binance list reward, 500 million market cap, Capra wallet, Capra debit card, approach to big company and merchandise for payment, apply payments is licensing. Phase 5 is 1 billion market cap, launch Capra NFTs, launch Capra exchange. This is the white paper and also the roadmap of Capra Falconeri. Then we discuss about their social medias. So this is my video. I thanks to all to see my complete video. At the end of my video, I recommend you all to follow and subscribe their social medias like Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. If you have interest or if you have to invest their sites. So again, thanks to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.